this video, you will learn a simple way to locate errors in CodeIgniter. There are instances when you see no specific error codes. Instead, a blank page is displayed. It is not a feasible option to check every single line of code. In such situations, the easiest solution would be to change the mode of the script. Click Open index.php. You will see that the code is in production mode. The Display Errors setting is turned off by default. Change the mode to Development. Now, visit the page again. An error message is displayed. The error includes the file name and line number. Fix the error. Refresh the page. It shows no errors. Turn the default mode back to production. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get new video updates.